Hello everybody, welcome back to another vlog. This is Jalet and welcome back to Jaloti Diaries. For today's vlog, I thought about decluttering my clothes today, and what inspired me to do that is actually the book that I am currently reading. This book right here. So this is The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up. It is a Japanese art of decluttering and organizing. So I got this book about 3 or 4 months ago, but I never really had the chance to read it because I have been very busy with both doing school and work full-time together. But now I have more time and there's no excuses of not reading, well, at the very least 2 books every month. So guys, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put all my clothes out of the cabinet, the storage bins, and the underbed drawers. I'm gonna put it out and put it all on the bed, and that's when I'll be segregating my clothes. So there's 3 categories I'll be segregating it, where I'm gonna put, like, the first one would be the clothes that I'll be keeping, and the second one will be the clothes that I'll be donating, and the third one would be the clothes that I'll be sharing with Emma's side of the family. So this time of the year, we normally send a balikbayan box. So what is a balikbayan box? A balikbayan box is that is the package that we call the package that we send to the Philippines a balikbayan box. So we normally put dry goods like canned goods, toiletries like toothpaste, shampoos, lotions, and well, in my case too, I thought about sharing some of the clothes as well that can be very useful for his cousins, as well as nieces, or anyone on their family that can still make use of my clothes instead of just them sitting on my closet and in my drawers. So yeah, so now that we have all the clothes on the bed, what I'm gonna do is we're gonna divide it into 3, as what I mentioned earlier: keep, donate, and share with Emma's female relatives. So keep, donate, share. Hello, so going back to the book that I'm reading, so this is actually the reason why I'm really inspired to declutter the clothes today. But the proper way is actually to declutter everything on one go, meaning all of your stuff, you do it all at once. But I kind of improvise what I'm doing today. I just wanted to do just the clothes while so a lot of things that I actually learned from reading this book, well, I just started reading it. So one of the things that she really wants us to know is, are we really keeping this piece of clothing just because we think it's cute, or we we think we might still use them in the near future, or are we holding on something like a sentimental value with the clothes? Honestly, like for me, I'm a very sentimental person. So this dress, I actually wore this dress on my prenuptial pictorial with Emma during our wedding. So I don't know. So that's one thing. Like, is it really still in my my closet because there's a value that I'm holding on to it? Oh, but I never really use it, to be honest. Like, the last time I've used this one was on a prenup shoot. That was November of 2014. So it's already 2019. So like it's about 5 years, guys. 5 years. It's just in my closet and I never used it. Like, maybe I was thinking I'm gonna use it one summer, but I don't know. So that is actually one of the things that this book is teaching us, that we have to know, like, has this piece of clothing has served its purpose, or am I just holding into it because I remember this was a very special moment in my life where we were doing the shoot for the wedding. So I really don't know. So it's all about finding the spark. It's if that certain thing still has a spark on you, if it's not, you have to know if it's time to let go or not. And I also read that if you are letting go of your stuff, you also have to say thank you for the memories. I know it sounds and you may look crazy, but why not, right? Like, if you can actually thank people, why not thank your clothing too, right? That's like, the video doesn't even give justice to it. So my throat is so dry. You see, you're not seeing my arms, right? See how deep that goes, all the way down. So a lot